Hi guys again. So in this video we will start drawing this sample. So remember that we are using like PDF file practice number 10 to draw sample to learn AutoCAD software. Now it's turn to draw this second sample, this one. So I already put the sample file to our workspace, so I don't want to open another document. So if you want to open. If you want to draw it in same document, you can draw it in here. So let's start drawing this file. So here, as you can see, it's a little bit complicated. We need to draw a lot of circles, lines, and then we need to use trim tool to delete extra lines. So I will start, I think, from this place, and then we will go to right and we will do something with it. So first of all, let's check something. As you can see, here is like two centers of two circles. The smaller one is 22 millimeters, the radius is 22 millimeters, the bigger one is 35 millimeters, but distance of this center is like, I think, 5 millimeters. As you can see, they put the dimension here, not the middle, because there is no right distance, so they put it here. So what we want to do, first of all, I want to build this smaller circle with this center. So let's do this circle with 22 millimeters, the radius, and then let's put center mark. And then I will do another circle but using temporary track point, this one, and then I need to go to right 5 millimeters, so it will be center of another circle. The bigger circle is the 35 millimeters. I don't know, let's check our PDF file. Yes, 35 millimeters, I see, 35 millimeters, done. So, and then how about like moving to right side of our detail, and then we will finish this part. So first of all, as you can see, we need to draw another circle here. The distance between centers of circle will be, let's put center mark here first, and then as you can see, 130 millimeters from this center. So we will use same technique, temporary track point. From this point I need to go right 130 millimeters. So the radius is 12 millimeters, and then let's put center mark also here. Done. So in this case we need to connect them. So how to connect? As you can see, here is some dimensions. If you open this file, it's easy to find. Here is like 5 degrees, here is 7 degrees, but here this angle with center line. In this case, this 7 degrees is with degree between angle between these two lines, not with center line. So let's build this line first, which is 5 degrees. So I will choose this point first to connect it. So I don't know the exact length of this line, so I just point put the degree of angle, so which is 5. If it's 5, so I need to put here, as you remember, this line will be like 180 degrees. If I put here like 175, the angle of this line will be 5 degrees. So I will press tab to move to input degree 5, and then I will press tab again, not enter, tab again. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Let's do it again. Line tool, let's use here this point, and then I will go right tab 175. If I put it will be correct, so I don't know, I just draw the line until here and then I can delete it later. So as you can see, here is some mistake. So what I wanted to do, you can just move it to tangent point, this tangent point, yeah, and then it's connected smoothly. So what I need to do is I need to draw another lines which is 7 degrees only with this line. So as you remember, this line is under like 5 degrees, so I need to put it here 7. So what I need to do until here, if it's like horizontal line, it will be 5 degrees. So sorry, if I put ortho mode, now here is a mistake, sorry guys, because we moved this line to tangent point. So let's build another line from this tangent point, which is degree 175, tap, and then 175. So I finished drawing it. So as you can see, here is different lines, so I need to delete the first one, and then now we can see that this line is under 5 degrees. So let's build another one which is 7. So center of this place, if I build this kind of line, as you can see, let's build another one until here, this place. As you can see, degree is like 119 degrees. So if I move it to up, it's decreasing. So I need to decrease it until 7 degrees. So it will be 112 degrees. Oh, sorry, I put it to length of dimension of line. So I need to press tab, and then as you can see, let's check it. So as you can see, it's like 5 degrees. I need to put here like, I think only 2 degrees. If I put only 2 degrees, it will be 7 degrees. No, I think it's a mistake, sorry. Let's build it again. So this is original line, the first original line, which is like 5 degrees. So I need to move it to up in vertical side. Now it is increasing. We need to decrease the angle until I think this is 0, after 0 and 2 degrees, yeah, this point, and then I need to press tab. So now 2 tab, yeah, as you can see, this is line. We will finish drawing it, and then we can just move it, you know. So we can move it from here using move tool, and then we need to move it to tangent point, or this point. Yeah, so I see, as you can see, it's like 7 degrees. So I will put it to tangent point, and then I will delete unnecessary parts. Let's look our sample file, how we delete it. As you can see, this part is totally unnecessary. The place where it's connected with this line, with this part, there is a like another fillet with 5 millimeters. So I will use fillet with radius 5 millimeters. This part, I will select these two, and then as you can see, it's finished. And then this part also fillet with radius but 10 millimeters. This part done. After that, we will use trim tool to delete extra lines like this. This part also, pay attention this line, no mistake. Yeah, now it's correct. So what will we do? We need to build this part of our line. So here is, as you can see, distance is horizontally 16 millimeters, vertically it's like 6 millimeters, 16 and 6 millimeters. So what I want to do, using line tool, from this point I need to go right 16 millimeters, and then I need to go up with ortho mode in 90 degrees 6 millimeters, and I need to go left again until here, and then we will use trim tool to delete extra lines. This line, this line. Yeah, as you can see, it's almost finished. We can connect these center marks like this, and then we will choose all these center lines and center marks, and then we will change the color, and then we can differentiate like which part is main part, which part is like center marks. So let's use trim tool to delete this part also. So as you compare the same details, but this is without dimensions and sizes. I hope you can do it as an assignment. So thank you for your attention.